Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving deep into a comprehensive review of Bybit, focusing on its fantastic bonuses and referral program. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this review will give you all the insights you need. And don't forget, you can use the Bybit referral code 82500 to get some amazing bonuses. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about Bybit itself. Bybit is a renowned cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust features, user-friendly interface, and top-notch security measures. But what makes Bybit stand out? Bybit offers a wide range of features designed to cater to all types of traders. From spot trading to futures and margin trading, you have a wide range of options. The platform supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies, giving you plenty of opportunities to diversify your portfolio. One of Bybit's unique selling points is its advanced trading tools, which include leverage options and detailed charting tools, ideal for professional traders. Now let's dive into the bonuses and referral program. Bybit has a fantastic referral program that rewards you for bringing in new users. Here's how it works. Using referral code. When you sign up, enter the referral code 82500 to unlock exclusive bonuses. Earning bonuses. Both you and your referees earn bonuses. This can include trading fee discounts, bonus tokens, and more. Types of bonuses. Trading fee coupons. These can offset trading fees for spot, perpetual, or futures contracts. Buy crypto coupons. These can be used to offset transaction fees incurred during one-click buy or fiat deposits. P2P coupons. These apply to P2P transactions, reducing the cost when purchasing USDT or USDC. Airdrops. Free tokens given to users, which can be used like regular funds. Fee discounts. Reduces the percentage of trading fees for a specified period. APY boosters. Increase yields on Bybit Earn products. Loss cover. Vouchers. Offset potential losses during bot trading. Signing up on Bybit is straightforward. You'll need to go through a quick verification process to unlock all features. The user interface is intuitive, whether you're accessing it via desktop or the mobile app. Beginners will find the platform easy to navigate, while advanced traders can utilize more sophisticated tools and charting options. Remember, using the referral code 82500 when you sign up can get you some nice bonuses to start your trading journey. Now, let's talk about fees. Bybit is known for its competitive trading fees. The fees are quite low compared to other major exchanges, making it a cost-effective option for frequent traders. Withdrawal fees are also reasonable, and there are ways to minimize these costs by using Bybit's native token, if applicable. Security is a top priority for Bybit. The platform employs advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, withdrawal whitelist, and cold storage for the majority of funds. Bybit has a solid track record with no major security breaches, which gives users confidence in the safety of their assets. Customer support on Bybit is accessible through multiple channels, including live chat and email. There's also an extensive help center with guides and FAQs. While response times can vary, many users report positive experiences with the support team's helpfulness and professionalism. Let's break down the pros and cons of Bybit. Pros: wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options, low trading fees, strong security measures, user-friendly interface, excellent advanced trading tools. Cons: occasional slow customer support. Response times: advanced features may be complex for complete beginners. Compared to other top exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, Bybit stands out for its low fees and advanced trading tools. While Binance offers a broader range of cryptocurrencies and Coinbase is known for its beginner-friendly interface, Bybit provides a balanced mix of features that cater to both novice and experienced traders. Here are some insights from real users. Many praise Bybit for its comprehensive features and low fees. The advanced trading tools are often highlighted as a major plus, especially for professional traders. However, a few users noted that the platform could be overwhelming for absolute beginners. Overall, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. To wrap it up, Bybit is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to trade cryptocurrencies. Its wide range of features, low fees, and robust security make it a top contender in the crypto exchange space. And don't forget to use the referral code 82500 when you sign up to get some great bonuses and kickstart your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.